Welcome back, my name is Charles Wollertz, this is Wollertz Photography, and in this video, we're gonna select the winner of the June photography contest, the Beer Lovers Day. The winner of the F700 field monitor by Newer. First of all, I wanna thank and congratulate everybody because your images are amazing. I really hope that you start selling some of these photos in stock photography because they are very good. It was very tough choosing or selecting a winner. So thank you very much to all participants. And again, thank you to all of those that rated the images because it is massive help in choosing the winning image. This is my least favorite part of these videos. I like giving something away, but I wish I had enough to give to everybody because your participation is incredible. As usual, we're gonna go down a quick critique of all the images and then I'll announce the winner. So let me get the computer here set up and we can start right now. If we're gonna start like this photo ticks all the boxes. Beautiful setup, the lighting is perfect. Yeah, great job with this photo. It does show celebrating beer, other beer bottles in the background. Perfect photo for this theme. That one looks interesting. Talk about a beer lovers. If you need help, I get off work at 5. Nice setup at home, a lot of beer. Beer lovers or beer problem. I don't know. It has a lot of use. I just don't know that it ticks the boxes for this contest. This one's interesting, but that doesn't, it's just a woman enjoying a glass of beer. It doesn't really have the beer lover's day, if I can explain myself. The concept is very important. This one's fun, lighting's good, the background might be a little bit blown out, and the depth of field, I mean, I see the beer, I see the smile, the cup blocking her smile a little bit. I think I would have brought that down, but that's a great shot. I think that has a lot of potential as a stock photo. The next image, someone from behind drinking a beer. Lighting's a little off. You can see there's a glow there. Maybe you have a light in the back. It's good. It just doesn't exactly have the beer lovers concept. Again, concepts are very important when we're trying to sell or go into a photograph. This one missed the focus. It's focused on the thumb and not so much on the beer, which is your subject. But yeah, I like it. Just be very careful with your focus points. Interesting, the composition might be a little off. Yes, you're cutting down the bottom here of the lawnmower, drinking beer while working. I like the idea. I could see myself in a riding lawnmower with a couple of beers and a thing on the weekends. But you're cutting the wheel on the lawnmower there, and that's part of the subject. It's part of the story, so be very careful with those things as well. But yeah, I like it. Interesting, lighting's a little off, it's a little harsh, and there's a lot of headroom. But yeah, somebody enjoying a beer and a cigar. That was pretty funny. I mean, beer lover, absolutely. Homer Simpson is a beer lover. I like the photograph. It doesn't look super sharp, and the lighting could be a little bit better, and so could the white balance. But yeah, I like it. He's definitely a beer lover. This one's nice. I like it. The background's a little blown out. You can see the horizon, the clouds, but it's a nice photograph. It's more vacation vibes than Beer Lovers Day, even though she is drinking a beer, but it's more like a vacation vibe instead of the bar beer lovers. This one's great. I really love this photo. The background's a little blown out. You can see the sunshine. It looks kind of natural, but not really. The blown out highlights and then the wrist here like this, it's just a little strange. I know it's so you don't block the camera. It's just I don't know, it's just a little awkward for a photo. I'm sure it's gonna sell a lot of times because it's a great photograph. That's a little awkward, and the blown out highlights for me are, but wow, yeah, you hit everything here in the great concept. This one looks fun. The background's a little bit blown out. If you're gonna isolate it on white, but see how that's a little distracting? I'd say that you try to recover the backgrounds, but they're just a little bit too bright back there. But yeah, it's nice. I just don't know the beer lovers concept. A smile probably would have been better, like ooh, you know, but that just looks a little bit more scared of the beer. And but no, nice job, nice lighting on the subject. It's just that the background is a little bit too blown out. This was interesting. It's a little sad and kind of moody. The lighting, they got a little bit of hot spots here on the glass, which is fine. But as far as a beer lover's day, this was more like depressive and sad, not as wow, yeah, you know, uplifting, happy, not depressed and let me drink my sorrows away kind of thing. But as a stock photo, tons of potential, tons of sales because of that emotion in the image. This one's fun, Oktoberfest or something. Interesting. Germany. Yeah, it looks good. Beer lovers are happy, but again, it has more of that vacation vibe than the yes, give me a beer kind of thing. And again, the concept is that's what's difficult with these contests is hitting that concept right dead on. It's tough. This one I like a lot. The lighting is perfect. Everything is just beautiful. I know a lot of loggers, everybody enjoys their beer or two, and yeah, it's nice. It's just a little bit dark in the background. Not so much a background, but the subject, the axe, maybe turn it a little bit so it hits the light, but it's got the concept dead on this one as well. Again, that one hits the concept dead on, outdoors. Now you can see the lighting on the axe, the natural light is beautiful. Drinking beer after a hard day of work, it does hit the concept, it has everything. If anything, just see this other axe here that's being cut, part of your subject, one step back, I think would have added that just enough. Everything in the image, it's either in or out, and that's just a little bit there, but that's just me being extremely critical. Fantastic job with this one. There we go, nice. Wow, do you need help? Great job here. I can see a little bit of the glare in your eyeglasses and I can't exactly tell where the focus is. But very nice job with this photograph. A little bit more light in the front, I think would have made it better. I see you try to recover the highlights in your arm here. And yeah, maybe just a little bit of a brighter light on your subject just because your background's a little bit blown out. So if you add a little bit more on you, I think it would increase the wow, this is the subject, if I'm explaining that right. But no, I like it. I like all the labels looking back, so you can use that definitely for a stock photo. Nice job. There we go. I mean, there is motion blur, and the beers are, I think they're a little bit blurred. The faces are blurred and out of focus, which is fine. The subject is where they look a little bit motion blurred. And again, the theme here is more vacation, relaxing by the pool, and not so much the beer lovers day, which by the way, you can include all of these themes and ideas to make photo shoots. You know, just because we're doing beer lovers doesn't mean we can do it on vacation. Like this one, that's a perfect travel photo. And yes, we're loving beer, we're enjoying beer, but the vibes here is more of a travel vacation than beer lovers day. But that's a fantastic photo, and I guarantee you're gonna be selling that because it's awesome. I even like the edit, beautiful. This one here doesn't really have much of the concept and the background's a little cluttered, but it's, well, I could see me drinking that beer right there. Nice. Okay, now we have this one again, different. See, now the emotion, bright, happy, you look like, yes, give me more beer. Again, it's the same thing I said before, it's your lighting, a little bit more light in the front, I think will make this a much more sellable photo, making your subject pop. Here it just looks a little bit flat. And I think that's what this photograph is missing. Yes, it's a little cluttered with the stuff in the background, but if your subject was brighter, if you were a little bit brighter, I think it would make a huge difference on this for the photo. But I would definitely try to submit that for stock because it is a great, fun image. Maybe crop it a little bit tighter so you don't have so much white in the background. But yeah, nice job. Again, great photo, but it has more vacation vibes than beer lovers day, even though we're enjoying beer in the pool, vacation, travel. The focus is extremely shallow and I can see a little bit of movement here. But yes, the theme, it's part of it, but not 100%. This photo I think would be a great seller if it is sharp. So definitely upload that photo for stock. That's simple, clean sunset in the bay. It looks nice. The beer looks good. The lighting. Nice photograph. I just don't get the concept of beer lovers day, but nice job. That would be a great stock seller as well. Relaxing evening in the garden. See, here we're enjoying beer, relaxing, chilling, another couple of beers in the background. So that gives you the idea that we're enjoying the beer and the company. This one hits the concept again. You're doing fantastic. These images are great. Great stock sellers. Wow. See, this is beautiful. Again, more of a travel photo than a beer lover's day. Yes, we're enjoying beer, but this has all of the vacation, relaxing and chilling on the beach. Beautiful image. Wow, I love the edit too, the little bit muted, but I'm one of the likes bright images, but this edit is awesome. This one's fine. There's a lot of space up top, and the focus again is right here in the front, and the glasses are out of focus. So again, be very careful with the focus. This one, action, flying around. I see a little bit of blur. You can see the blur here and the blur here. The beer should be sharp. The focus is on the back of the glass, so we're missing. The beer doesn't have any focus besides the motion blurriness. But it's a nice action shot, and don't forget, you're cutting out the bottom of the glass too, so be very careful with the compositions. Lots of potential. You're just gonna need a flash or something to freeze that motion. See, this was very nice. The hands are not as awkward, but I can see why you did that before is because now you're blocking the beer here. The focus was better on the beer, I think, but this happy, smiling, they're loving beer. That's awesome. They're loving the interaction. I just see, is that motion blur? It looks like a little bit of motion blur in her face, but this photo is great. Great job. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, so we've seen a similar one, and it's the same thing. It's more of a travel photo, vacation photo. Yes, enjoying the beer, but when you have somebody like that, I like looking at the camera. Very few times I've sold something where I'm not looking at the camera, where I'm looking out like past or to the side. Usually when you're selling something, you're selling the idea of beer or something, you want to sell it to the viewer, and when they look at the photo, they want to be looking right at the camera. So just a quick tip there for stock. That one doesn't count. That was an example. This one here is very nice. Beautiful photo on the beach, very relaxing, but again, travel, vacation, not so much beer lover's day, but I guarantee that's going to be a good seller. That's the same beer with Homer Simpson. Again, your lighting just needs a little bit of help. The beer needs to pop a little bit more. Adding a little light or something from the backside will make that really pop. But nice job here. I like the addition of the chips and stuff. It looks good. This one misfocused. The focus is here in the chair, even though I do like the idea of a giant beer glass like that. It's mine, doesn't count. Mine doesn't count. This one you can see that it's blown out. Now here in the face it's got a little bit, the highlights are too overexposed, but the background is not as distracting, but now half your image is not there. But nice job. This one you still have the blown out highlights there and on the hand here, so just, again, be very careful with your exposure. I love this one, perfect. Again, you have the beer glasses, you have the two beers in the back, and popcorn. Just chilling and enjoying a couple of beers. That's yeah, hit the concept dead on. Great job there. Again, the loggers, the axis, shooting through things, the composition here is perfect. Nice job, I love the lighting, the edits, good job with this photograph. That one's fun, everyone drinking, enjoying a beer in the sunset, the background. Again, it's a little bit bright. I like bright photographs. This one has low contrast in the edit, but a little bit blown out on the faces, and the sky is just a little bit, yeah, I definitely could see this photo selling if it gets accepted. I'm just a little worried about the blown out highlights, but it's a nice concept for this photo shoot. Smiling, happy, drinking couple, yeah, that's fun, relaxing, that could be a fantastic seller. They're a little bit closer together. I know it's awkward, but on the photo, they just seem a little bit far apart. Just bring them in a little closer, and I think it would make a much more sellable photo, but that looks great. Nice job there. This one, again, great job. Pouring the beer, splashes, that looks fun. But look, you're cutting the bottom of the glass. It needs a little bit more breathing room, and the focus is on the back. Try using manual focus and pre-focusing on the middle of the glass or towards the front, so the beer splashing and stuff is sharp and in focus. Here's a little bit out of focus as well as the motion blur, but it's a nice photograph. And that's it, that's the last one. All right, now let's select the winner of this June 2025 Beer Lovers Day Photography Contest. The winner of the F700 Field Monitor by Newer. This was a very tough contest, and again, just like I did last time, I'm gonna select 3 winning images, but only first place is going to get a prize because unfortunately, I'm a very small channel and don't have the reach yet to make to give more and more prizes to everybody. But I at least want to give you a round of applause to the second and third place, even though only the first place is gonna get a physical prize. So it just, again, as we grow, we might be able to expand and get more prizes, but for now, Thank you so much to all participants. And third place, again, this was very tough because there was a lot of great images, but in third place, I'm gonna have this one here, Lumberjacks Having a Break by Alexander Jung. Sorry if I mispronounced your last name, Alexander. This was a fantastic photo. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of motion blur on this gentleman here with the plaid shirt. All three of your images were fantastic. You're consistent, your photos were great. Just a little bit of help with the composition. Like I said, just one step back here would add more of the story without cutting the axe. But your images are great. Your concept, you're dead on. Fantastic job with these photographs, and that's consistency is key, and you're doing incredible. Now, for second place in this photography contest, I've selected this photo here by Giuseppe Lombardo. Again, hit the concept dead on. Friends, families enjoying having the drink. The only thing here is the overexposed background and the angle here on the wrist. It just doesn't quite look natural, and it's gonna limit a little bit of the use. But as far as beer lovers there, you got pizza, you got beer, you got friends, smiling, happy. This one hits the concept dead on. It's just that you're overexposing the background, and that's gonna take points away from that. Now, first place, the winner of the F700 Field Monitor by Newer is this photograph here by Gina Chittenden. Fantastic images. All three of your photos hit the concept dead on. Very similar images, very similar props, same place, same everything, but consistency is key. And that's something I always recommend, just shooting as many shots as you can from the same place, and you hit them all dead on. The focus, the concept, the arranging of the elements here are fantastic. So congratulations, Gina. I'm gonna be in touch with you via email so we can arrange shipment of your prize, the F700 Field Monitor. Thank you so much to all participants, and let me know what you thought in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's a new contest coming up next Sunday. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.